All right, guys, now real cover of darkness. Watch this hood light. That's what I'm saying. You could see. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Weather's a little bad today, but it's still not snowing, which is good. Anyway, really short video for you guys today. What I'm going to be showing you, obviously you saw from the intro that hood light. That thing is dim and yellow. I've been wanting to change that for a year now, ever since I got the truck. So I finally got the time. This is the package right here. What you can't beat for what, $7 or $8? Company called LED Kingdom US. LED bulbs. Can't wait to just pull that thing apart, stick those in there. So let's get into it right now. All right, guys, so real simple. Once you pop open this hood, it has a gravity sensor in there. That's why when you bring it down to a certain level, the light shuts off in the in the 4th gen Rams. So if you wanted, you can either disconnect the light from either up here, or there's a disconnect right over here, which I'm gonna just disconnect this so the light is not on and the bulb is not hot. So what you're gonna be doing is squeezing this plastic portion right here. Once you squeeze it, it'll pop down, and that's easy access to the bulb. All right, to get this out, guys, very simple. See this red tab right here? You just slide it. Once you slide it, you push down right here and it releases. Again, I'll show you again. See how it clips in there, and the red slide is a lock. So you disengage the lock, which is the red slide, and then you push down right here. Once you push down, bam, and now your light is off. Real simple. Just press a little bit. Don't have to go crazy, because this thing, these plastic parts flex, so it'll help take it out. And once you take it out, I know that bulb is going to be freaking hot in there. The bulb literally looks like it's hanging in there by these little hooks. So obviously, you make sure, should have did this from the start. I actually pre-did it before. The bulbs literally look the same way. They literally look the same way. They have these metal rings on them, and they interlock within the circuit. Okay, so the bulb is actually very easy to take out. You just, this hook piece right here, this bronze looking portion, you just push it up. And when you push it up, you just release the bulb from the holder, just like that. And then you take the other piece out, and that's it. Then you pop the new one back in. Same exact way. This goes in like that. That's backward. Like that. It's hard with one hand. 1 second. There we go. And that's how it looks. So let's see how it looks in the light. All right, guys, so before I turn it on, what I did was, you got one, I put one on this side, and then I have one on this side also. As I said, you're literally just hooking it in. It takes 12 volts. Remember, this is like a 6000K, 6500K xenon white. So it's gonna be bright, very bright. And if you wanna know, the length of the bulb is 44 millimeters. Literally the same. Just type in, you know, your year, make, and model on Amazon. They're pretty good, like finding the right stuff. But you can just put one in here. I just put 2 in here just for shits and giggles to see how well it's gonna work. As I said, the LEDs obviously take lower consumption of DC voltage, so it takes less power to light them up. So it's definitely gonna work even with both of them. So here we go. Let me plug this bad boy in. God. Yeah, that's bright. Yeah, that's bright. So what I'm gonna do later, I'm going to, as it gets darker, I'm gonna show you how it looks, how the stock one looked to how this one looks. And as I said, I just put the LEDs, I just put both of them. So I said, look, I have 2 more right here. So I just put them back to back. Now guys, if it doesn't work at first, just flip it around to reverse the polarity. And that's really it. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right guys, so what I did, I put the old bulb back. Just want to show you. Now the casing, the protective cover is off. This is how it looks. It's yellow. Okay, now I'm gonna put 1 bulb back of the new LEDs. All right, so I put 1 bulb back in, check it out. That's just 1. Because remember, the bulb, they're flat, so the LEDs shine in one direction. That's why I put them back to back. So once I put that bad boy in there, the other one, I'm gonna show you. You'll see it lights up the whole bulb. All right, so with both bulbs in.
Are you listening?
That's perfect. The only thing I would say is that there is no rotator on here to make like the flat part of the LED shine down. But that's obviously what, you know, this is for. It just bunches the light together. But actually it looks pretty damn good on the cover anyway. You could see it for yourself. You could actually see what's going on under here. And the good thing about it is, as I said, the LEDs, it's less consumption of energy and it can do the same work for less. So that's the purpose of people getting LED bulbs or whatever in their cars, because you get more for less. And guys, that's really it, man. These bulbs are freaking awesome. It's gonna be in the description, and I will see y'all soon. Take it easy.